How to use Dacxi wealth platform properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Dacxi is a global wealth platform focused on digital assets like crypto, tokenized metals, and blockchain-based investments. But here's what most beginners miss: they treat it like a trading exchange instead of a long-term wealth platform. The first mistake is chasing short-term crypto gains. Dacxi isn't about gambling on quick price moves. It's about building diversified digital portfolios that combine crypto, gold, and silver-backed tokens for stability and growth. Second mistake is ignoring the educational resources. Dacxi Academy and Insights help you understand blockchain investing fundamentals, yet many users skip straight to buying without knowing what they're holding. Another common error: keeping funds idle in your wallet. The platform allows you to allocate assets strategically. Leaving balances unused means missing out on compounding opportunities. Pro tip: enable Dacxi's auto purchase feature to buy digital assets in small, regular amounts, reducing risk through consistent investing. And here's the surprising truth: blockchain-based assets can actually lower risk when balanced correctly. Used properly, Dacxi helps you bridge traditional wealth with digital innovation, turning smart diversification into future-ready financial freedom.